What's up, Money Gang? It's your favorite girl, that damn Sharon. And y'all know what we do over here. We just vlog, learn a little something, create a little something, and just life be life. And let's go ahead and get in this video though. So, y'all, today I am getting ready for my best friend, one of my best friend's weddings. She's getting married this weekend, and I showed y'all everything. I've been showing y'all. I showed y'all the proposal. Y'all can go back. I'm gonna take it up here so y'all can go see her proposal that happened last year, January, and this January she's getting married, y'all. So we are getting prepared. Y'all, so let's go ahead and get down to business. Happy New Year, first and foremost. Welcome to the year of the horse, as they say. Yes, your girl is in her room, y'all. We are a little behind. 2026 came in rough. I ain't even gonna lie. I had that, whatever they call the super flu or whatever. Don't know where it came from. But your girl had been down ever since Christmas. That's why, y'all, my videos kind of stopping everything because I was all over the place. But yes, we are going in this video. I'm going to show y'all step by step how I'm getting ready for my best friend wedding. And yeah, that's what we're doing in this video. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on little old me. Make sure you hit that subscribe bell and that button and that bell so you can know each and every time your girl drop a video. So let's go ahead and get in this video. Alright, so I did get the hop shape sublimation plates from Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description box. I did get 40 in a box. It comes as an 80 pack because these are the black pies, and you get 40 of these, which is the hots, and then you get 40 magnets. So it comes with the magnets to put on here. But yeah, we about to get this, and all I have to use is my sublimation printer, and I'm gonna be using HTV Run sublimation print paper. Now I already took the initiative to go ahead and print off all my papers because I don't want to make the video too long over here. So let me just straighten up a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring y'all closer down so y'all can see exactly what I do. Okay, y'all, so I bring y'all a little closer so y'all can know what supplies you will need. This is my alcohol. I will use that to clean off the plates once I take off the plastic tip. These are my images. This is the magnet that goes behind it once it's done so it can stick to your refrigerator or anywhere you want to stick them to. You will need heater's tape to place the plate on top of the image, and heat gloves because it does be hot once it come out. Also my sublimation, I am using a Aspen 2850 and my heat press. So yeah, let's get to it, y'all. Alright, so we about to start. I didn't tell you I use scissors, but I guess that would have been like knowing I need scissors to cut these. And I probably should have just used my big cutter to cut them all at one time. But just for the first example, to give y'all a full vision on how I'm doing it. So I try to cut down as close as possible, but still have some white on it. So just in case I have some bleed out, it can bleed out, but not on my plate. So then just take this plastic off. They always have a protector on them. Just spray a little bit. That was maybe a little bit too much. And then just wipe them off. Just to make sure nothing is on them. And I use 100% alcohol, so it dries pretty fast. Alright, now you just wanna always do it this way first so I can make sure it's within the lines of my shape. Like I see all the black around it. I may can move it up just a little bit. So now y'all can see it. You can still see some of the black of the designs around it as the outline. So now I'll just take my transfer tape and stick it on here. Now always bend my closures close to it right there. Pinch it because you want to seal it to make sure the heat get into it. And I'm going to show y'all me doing just a couple of them. I'm going to do this one and then I'm going to start doing multiple at one time. I just want y'all to see how this one comes out. Because I'm so excited for my friend to be getting married. And she's letting me help her plan her wedding. I'm so excited. This is why I do what I do, you know. So my friends and family don't have to spend all that money. Or if they do, depending on what they want, I can get that money. You feel me? Oh yeah, I might have went overboard on the tape, but it is all good in tape. And then we're about to take it to the heat press. Okay, now I'll take my butcher paper, my plate. I'm going to put this side up and I'm going to press down. I have my heat press on 350 and I think it was for 25 seconds. And then we'll be back. All right, now you can let it cool off if you want to, but you don't have to let it cool off cuz it's already pressed on there. So we'll just put your heat glove on. I normally just use one just to hold it because my other one gonna have this little tube, and I just go around it and play the tape off. All right, y'all ready for the reveal? Let's see. Look at there. That is too cute. I cannot wait till she see all of these. And yes, y'all, I made it I made it the design in Canva. But yes, look at that. That is so cute. And then we just take this. Ugh, I can't get it, y'all. And take this off. And you just stick it on here in the middle. Now, I wouldn't spray that. But I sprayed the towel just to clean it up just a little bit. But yes. And that's how you make a magnet. Okay, y'all. So I do have her programs. I just want to pick these up. Her programs. We worked on these together. They are too cute. So y'all, I thought they was gonna fold them. I must have put it in instructions to fold them. So now I gotta sit here and fold all 4 of these by myself. I could take them to her, but it's like 3 days before her wedding, and I don't want to put all that pressure on her. And then, y'all, we're making cones for little flower petals. I'm so excited about this idea because this is something new we seen on TikTok, and she sent it to me, and I thought it was so cute. So I'm going to cut these out as well so we can make cones, and I'm going to show y'all step by step how to make the cones too. So, yeah, we get it. We getting married. My best friend's getting married. I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and cut these out. I ain't even gonna film all that. I'm gonna cut these out and then fold the programs, and then I'll be back with the next steps and everything we got going on. Okay, be back. Hi y'all, so I was able to finish all the programs. It wasn't that bad, and they came out very nice. Her theme is black and white, so these look real nice for the black and white. And then she got a nice little message for them on the back. Yeah, I should have put Monique's One Stop Shop somewhere on there. Like special thanks to Monique's One Stop Shop, but no. Alright, so we got all these done. And now we are about to start on cutting the cones out. I've already started, and that's how they look when I cut them out. And then we're going to fold them together. So let's get on this now. And then we'll be back. Yeah, this part is taking me forever. Because, and like I said, I already started. Alright, y'all. So we filling up the vases. We're gonna do 3 vases. These are 3 sizes. Oh yeah, and I put these in. I started using these because I think I'm gonna still need some more. So I might gotta set something out tonight. But this is the way the setup gonna be. We're gonna have these 3 right here. These 2 is gonna have the candles, and then all 3 of them are gonna have marbles in it. They got black and white and silver marbles, and I'm gonna show y'all that. So. Yes, we're filling these up now. Hi, y'all. So I have finally did the cones. Y'all, I did not video me doing these because I am technically on the clock while I'm doing these. And baby, it took, let me just say, it took almost, oh no, we gotta make sure that's right. It took me 6 hours to do 40 of these things. Yes, 6 hours to do 40 of these. Yes, y'all see her flowers. I'm about to start working on the bouquet now. But yes, there go all of these. We are back working at home tonight because we had to get on the clock to make extra money, you know? always making money. That's what we do. Money game. We money game. Because all we do is chase money. But yes, on to the next project. But these are done. And what we're going to do with these is go put rose petals inside of them, y'all. And they're going to, each guest is going to get one. So they can, once they say I do, and they walking out the building, everybody get to throw little rose petals at them. And when I get ready to put the rose petals in there, I might do some super glue. What I used was my double tape right here to do it. So what I might do, because I'm here and everything is at the suite, I probably can go to the suite and get my glue gun and come back and secure it a little bit just to make sure, because y'all know we can't have no mess ups. We can't be embarrassing ourselves. And we talking about we some planners, some party planners and wedding planners and stuff, y'all. But yes, these are this. And I went to the next one. We're about to do her flower bouquet. Alright, y'all. This is the bouquet. And now I'm about to wrap it around with some ribbon. Okay, y'all. So I put all the marbles in the vases, and I put the candles on them. These ones don't have candles. I think what I'm gonna do is go get a flower and put on each of them, because it's gonna be used for the little walkway for her train. We got, these are the cones that I made. Y'all remember me making these, and I got the little flowers in there. Yeah, we got the tablecloths, we got the utensils. These gonna be on the chairs. We got the chair cloths. Yeah, we got everything, y'all. We ready. So I am about to go pack up the truck, take me a shower, and then we is heading out. I'm on good timing. I think it's like 9:30 in the morning now. You know, I don't have to be at the venue until noon. It is raining, unfortunately. It's raining. But we're not going to let that stop us. Look at my beautiful mama, y'all. She's going to the wedding, too. But, yes, let's go to the venue. Let's get ready. We need to lay these out. Money gang, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to end this video. I really hope y'all appreciate each and every part of this video, and you learned a little bit of something on some DIYs that you make and try at home. Y'all, the bride and the groom was very happy and pleased. I was content. I do what I do for the smiles that I received that night. And yeah, I'll be catching y'all in the next video. Once everything was done, it was time to party and get down, y'all know. So, she's still my best friend, so I had to party with her a little bit, you know. But yes, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that bell so y'all can know each and every time your girl drop a video. And like always, never give up on yourself. Always chase your dreams and always keep God first. Love y'all. Peace, money gang. Until next time.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my lonely